The dumbbell single leg deadlift with high pull is a total body combination exercise that targets the hamstrings, glutes, and shoulders. To get started, while standing, hold a pair of dumbbells with a palms facing in grip in front of your thighs, then raise one foot off the ground a few inches behind you. Contract your core for balance, then lean forward with your hips and maintain a straight flat back until your upper torso and leg is close to parallel to the ground. At this point, the dumbbell should hang down straight in line with your shoulders. Press your planted foot through the ground to return back to the starting position with both feet on the ground. Then immediately squat down to lower your body towards the floor, then press your feet through the floor to rise back up onto your toes, bending your elbows to raise the dumbbell up your body into a dumbbell upright row. Ensure you keep the dumbbells close to your body and your elbows higher than your wrists. Under control, slowly lower the dumbbells to reverse the movement and repeat the single leg deadlift again with the opposite leg. Continue alternating sides for reps. Make sure you subscribe for more Live Lean exercise demos.